What's that?
The little caterpillar.
Keep on going.
Oh, I just saw it.
Yeah. Good climbing, bud.
I think one of them was Nick. Thanks.
Getting higher. Higher to go.
Look how skinny that is.
Oh my gosh, this is like a knife. This is kind of sucky. Whew.
You can do it, bud. Just like a set of stairs.
Let's go up the ramp and right around.
How you doing, Duncan?
Tiring.
Yeah. It is, isn't it? Right behind you, Ben. Got huckleberries all around us on the mountain. We were eating these a couple days ago. Sing a song, Nate.
Yeah, right.
I've got a song that's on everybody's nerves. I've got a song that's on everybody's nerves. I've got a song that's on everybody's nerves, and I'm going
When one sly snake slid up the slide, the other sly snake slid down. When one sly snake slid up the slide, the other sly snake slid down. When one sly snake slid up the slide, the other sly snake slid down. When one sly snake slid up the slide, the other sly snake slid down.
That really.
When one pink porpoise popped into the pipe, the other pink porpoise popped out. When one pink porpoise popped into the pipe, the other pink porpoise popped out. When one pink porpoise popped into the pipe, the other pink porpoise popped out. When one pink porpoise popped into the pipe, the other pink porpoise popped out.
What was a porpoise doing in a pipe?
That's a good question. You should ask the one that popped out. And then, when one black bug bled blue, black blood, the other black bug bled blue. When one black bug bled blue, black blood, the other black bug bled blue. When one black bug bled blue, black blood, the other black bug bled blue. When one black bug bled blue, black blood, the other black bug bled blue.
Okay, can you please stop?
Are you saying that his song was more annoying than yours?
Yes.
All right.
I've got a song that's on everybody's nerves. Everybody's nerves.
Oh, more to go. Not even above tree line yet. What, Ben?
You doing a video?
Uh-huh.
Hi, Mom.
Are you having fun?
Video is right for you. Bye.
Are you having fun?
Yeah, I'm having fun.
All right, let's move on. Water, guys. Okay, sip some. Shane, are you drinking? Mark, are you drinking? Drink water.